Step 1. Open the box and take out the product parts, then lay them out neatly. Step 2. Open the armrest based on the video. Use trim removal tool to remove the original cover plate, then unscrew and remove the original vehicle component. Step 3. Route the wireless charger to the hole in the armrest to position it. Then secure the wireless charger in place with screws. Step 4. Following the video, reinstall and screw in the original vehicle component that was just removed. Then put the armrest cover plate back on. Step 5. Remove the silicone mat from the cup holder and unscrew the original screw. Use trim removal tool to pop the panel open and disconnect the wiring harness. Following the video, connect the charger's wiring harness to the vehicle's original harness. Plug the charger harness into the vehicle. Step 6. Tidy up the wiring harness. Tighten the screw and attach the silicone mat to complete the installation.